Coming from a guy that's on his knees, I hear you say it's fine, but honestly, I can't believe it, that you ain't leaving. The world keeps testing me. What can we expect? I'm only 23. You say I'm alright, but I'm far too weak. I can't believe it, that you ain't leaving. I know that I've hurt you. Believe when I say I never meant to treat you this way. Deserve much better. I'm such a cliche. What does it matter? And did it cross your mind? Cause I see a strange look in your eyes, and every time it's there, I paralyze. My heart stops with beating, afraid that you're leaving. I know that